Hi, I'm Aja, and this is Dre, and we're Trella Technologies.
Together, we recognized the serious problem affecting our food supply and created a solution to diversify the types of plants that can be grown indoors with sustainable, automated plant training robotics. Trella is a first-to-market brand with a patent-pending, never-before-seen innovation that intends to be a leader in the indoor farming technology sector. Our product, the Trella Grow LST, gently and automatically trains plants to grow horizontally, allowing growers and farmers to grow tall plants in small spaces. The concept for the Trella Grow LST came from my own struggle as a medical marijuana patient to grow cannabis in my small basement. Standard manual solutions for maximizing plant growth make growing labor intensive. So, as an engineer, my mind naturally wanted to create a sustainable solution to grow not just my medicine, but food on a grander scale. We brainstormed pretty obsessively, then prototyped, and built again Trella's unique plant training system. And along the way, we sought and applied input from experienced farmers and growers to bring us to where we are today with the Trella Grow LST. Our system helps indoor cultivators grow taller fruit-bearing crops, such as plants like tomatoes, hemp, cannabis sativa, and hops, in spaces with low ceilings or vertical and stacked arrangements, like those found in urban farms, freight containers, basements, grow tents, and closets. And now, you can get in on the ground floor as an investor with Trella Technologies. Our unique technology already has its foot in the door of the farming and cannabis industries in Massachusetts, which is a prime location because of its rich culture of innovation, its seasonal climate, and because of its regulated legal cannabis industry. In our laboratory testing, Trella has been shown to increase one cannabis plant's yield by more than 25% over traditional plant training methods like scrogging, topping, and sea of green. This is a huge advantage for the home grower with regulated plant count limits, but even more so for commercial cannabis growers who need to use their space efficiently to grow taller plants, such as mother plants that provide cuttings for propagation. Trella's automated system also helps commercial growers reduce their labor costs. We started sowing the seeds for Trella's success by joining key professional groups and trade associations, participating at trade shows, building a network of experienced growers to test our product, and getting the word out about Trella at different networking and industry events.
Well, let's take advantage of this clip and watch the time-lapse growing experience.
Excellent. This is our version 4 that we're showing in this time-lapse video. So what you have is one cannabis plant that started on the left, and over time is slowly growing towards the right. The green leaves are coming through that ring. That's the ring, that's the apex ring we call it, sensing how much growth is there, and when it's too much, it moves to the next location. Back and forth movement that you see are the fans that were on the sides. We took those off and put those below. And now this is the second stage, the flowering stage. So when we get to the end, we take off the mesh and we just let all those branches stretch up towards the light. That's a natural process. All of the plant wants to get to the light on its own. You don't have to do much to help it with that. And then eventually it flowers to the point where you're ready for harvest.
That is a very robust crop indeed.
Thank you.
And throughout the grow process, the Trella Grow LST app tracks your growth rate and environmental conditions, so you have actual data that you can use to make adjustments or compare your results with future grows or other manual training methods. It really is that simple for the user. But we need your support to help to get more Trella units developed and into home and commercial grows across the globe. We hope you will be energized and motivated to help bring our automated plant training technology to urban and container farms in addition to cannabis cultivators. It's a unique time to get involved in a forward-thinking business that is developing technologies to support the vertical indoor farming industry, which is expected to reach $4.1 billion by next year. And global spending on cannabis is expected to reach $57 billion by 2027. We may even be on Mars by then. Trella is about so much more than food and cannabis. The technology we are developing has the capacity to be used in future endeavors, such as farming on NASA shuttles and other planets. This is only the beginning. Our team is growing, and we have talented marketing and other professionals on deck to help make Trella an effective leader in the indoor farming technology sector. Please scroll down to learn more about our patent-pending, never-before-seen innovation, and please join us as an early investor.